Hi viewers, we are Tamilnadu Seed Savers. I am Pradeep Kumar from Tamilnadu, Vellore district. We are conserving 800 varieties of traditional vegetables and tubers. Now we are in Devanagari Seed Festival. We have displayed around 120 varieties of vegetable seeds, and mostly of the tomatoes are around 60 varieties of tomatoes we have. Most of them know only one or two varieties of tomatoes only. But in the world, there are 12,000 varieties of heirloom varieties existing. But now we are conserving 100 varieties of tomatoes in the Tamilnadu. If you want seeds, order 9655893668. Pradeep Kumar.
Okay, this is also Deshi seeds, sir.
Yeah, these all are heirloom seeds, open pollinated heirloom seeds.
Okay.
Not any hybrid seeds.